Good morning, guys. So as you can see, I've got my paint clothes on. We are painting today. If you did not check out the last vlog, we spent the whole weekend last weekend working on the outside of our tiny house and painting and putting up shutters and flower boxes and just different things. This weekend we have a ton of things that we want to get accomplished. If you can hear, Wade is just outside working on sanding down our porch. He built it probably 2 years ago and we haven't finished it. So he's going to sand it down and get it all looking nice. He's going to stain it and we're going to repaint the sides because it's gotten kind of nasty. And it's going to look completely different. So that's really exciting. We may sand down the outside of our wood doors because I think we just need to sand those down and restain and put clear coats on them, because I don't think that we put a thick enough clear coat to keep it from getting kind of weathered. We have a lot of humidity and rain in our area, so we definitely need to take care of those. I'm definitely gonna have to finish doing some painting. Like I said, last weekend we only got like maybe a quarter of the way, maybe close to half of the way of the house being painted. So I don't figure I'll get to finish that today because I don't want to spend all day painting, but I do want to get a little bit done. Wade's got to finish like getting the driveway all situated so we can eventually get that rock poured. But we've got like tons of sticks and leaves that has piled up that we need to burn. We just have a ton of things to do, and it's supposed to rain tomorrow, and it's like the rain's coming in tonight or early in the morning, and we will not see a beautiful day for at least a week. And so we need to get as much accomplished today because we definitely don't have tomorrow to fall back on. So yeah, guys, come along and see what we get done. Good morning, Remy. Are you helping? Yeah, that's a yeah.
Okay, so I put on the first coat of this yellow wood stain. It's actually a 2-coat process. The first one kind of penetrates the wood, and the second one secures the wood from the elements, rain, stuff like that. But anyways, it's not going as good as the last time I've done it, and I'm not sure if I'm going to continue on. I'm going to let this board dry for a little bit longer and then put another coat on there and just see if it works. But right now I'm not very optimistic that it's going to. So I may move on from this project here shortly and start doing something different. Okay, so the deck staining didn't quite work out, so I'm going to return that stain and get some like deck paint. I think that would work a lot better. But since that didn't work out, I've got another project that I'm going to do. There's one more planter box, and I've got my dog ear boards here, so I'm fixing to measure, cut those, and get those painted. And as soon as Samantha finishes painting the back of the house, I will install that planter box. Alright, so the planter boxes that I built earlier, and I'm waiting on them to dry, are going to go right here. Now this was a larger window, and that's a window to our bathroom. But when we renovated this house, we wanted it Not as visible when we're in the shower, so we just went with about half the size of the window it was and covered it with this plywood here. Now we're going to put the planter boxes up there and fill in that void.
You're so cute. Look at my hands. You see the blisters? Yeah. I had to quit. I had to quit painting. I just washed on this, but all I did, let me show you. Basically, I did the trim all the way to here, if you can see, but I stopped painting right under here. So more than half of the back is done, and then I finished the side of the house right here. So basically we have just the other side and just a little bit of the back side to finish, but that is definitely going to be another day. I almost forgot, it's been 1 week since we bought these plants and they're looking pretty dang good. It hadn't gotten too hot yet though, so that's usually when the plants start dying on my watch, so we'll see. Okay, so we've got the cars moved and we're about to burn all of these built up nasty leaves. Hey, you my helper? Are you my helper, Remy? While I have a little energy and Wade and Remy are on fire duty, I figured I would clean the stickers off of these windows. Some of these windows have stickers in the back and in the side of the house since we originally put them in almost 3 years ago. And stickers are a huge pet peeve of mine, and I honestly can't believe they've lasted this long. So I'm about to get these stickers off because honestly they've been bothering me for 3 years. 1 down and 2 to go. All right. What is it?
An amber.
Oh no, hit your foot.
Yeah.
How's things going?
Smoky.
Smoky, you got the whole neighborhood smoky.
Yeah.
You proud of yourself?
About smoking up the entire neighborhood?
Yeah.
No.
So we just finished grocery shopping. We went and got some flowers for the planter boxes for the back, and they're different than the ones that we got for the front. I'll show you those in a little bit. We're starving, so I'm about to make some breakfast. And yesterday we really didn't do any filming in the afternoon. We got really tired. All of our energy was out, and we ended up just relaxing in the backyard to enjoy the beautiful afternoon until the mosquitoes basically ate us alive and we had to go in. It thunderstormed all night long, but after 6 o'clock I think it was done, and it's not supposed to rain anymore, so we decided to go to the store early to get all of our groceries for the week, and we wanted breakfast, so that is what we're about to do now. I have no idea what I'm gonna cook though, but I gotta put these groceries away. Are we going for a walk? Let's go. Let's go. Come on. These are the plants that we got from Home Depot this morning. So now we're just gonna pot them and see how we want to place them. Is that long enough?
Yeah, I think so. While Samantha is working on the planter boxes over there, I'm going to take this opportunity to show off our bird houses, newly made over the last 2 weekends. So there's your more traditional old school birdhouse. I'm going to put like a little dowel rod underneath that hole to come out so birds can perch themselves on there. And then I've got this one that I made first, and it is our house. It looks just like our house there from the front, that is. So I finally got those up. I put those up yesterday, and while we were outside, a couple of birds keep flying on these trees, but I keep inviting them to come live in the house or live in the other one. Samantha's laughing at me.
He is. He's like,
but
birds, you could go in my new house.
Yeah.
They don't know what you're saying.
But none of them took me up on the offer. Well, I'm thinking I need to put like a for rent sign out in front of them or something like that.
Just trying to see how this will work. Like, I don't want these two in the middle. Wonder if I need to do it like this. How does that look?
Yeah.
You like that?
Uh-huh.
So now that that project is done, I think I'm just gonna go. It's gotten really hot, so I think I'm gonna go inside and do some house stuff. So I need to do some stuff like prepping for the week, like food, lunches, breakfast, and I need to sweep and mop the floor because I know it's about to rain all week, but honestly, just gotta do it. So anyways, I think Wade is about to get a shower after getting all hot out here. It is really hot. Like, it was chilly this morning, and now it's like 85 degrees. So I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah, that's what I'm about to get done. I am so excited about these flowers. It's looked so bad for the past couple of years, but we just have been putting all these projects off, so everything's just slowly coming together, and I'm just really excited about it. So okay, so it's almost dinner time, and we have some friends coming over, so we are gonna make homemade pizzas to end out this awesome weekend. So that is what we're doing right now, getting everything ready. And Wade and I are going to have, well, I guess all the adults are gonna have barbecue chicken pizzas, and we're gonna make a tiny little pizza for Bo, and it's gonna be a cheese pizza, so really excited about that. Hope she likes it. Okay, so Wade has Wally on because Bowen's coming, and that's his favorite Disney movie, or at least cartoon. And look at Remy's tail. Remy, are you excited? They just pulled up. Oh, he's so excited.
And whenever you hit the whole thing,
So Bowen brought bubbles for her and Remy to play with. They're Remy's favorite. Watch. Do you see him eating them? You see him? Yeah.
Remy.
I can't go that high. Get him. Go get him. You're a funny dude, Remy. this for hours. That is so funny. Oh no! Look, they're all right there above your head. Oh god! You just ate the bubble!
Oh. I don't know.
It is the end of the weekend. Oh man, I'm tired. Are you tired?
Very tired.
We're exhausted. It has been a long one. We've gotten so much done. There is things that we meant to do this weekend, but just wasn't able to do this weekend. But we have more weekends planned coming up with projects and just kind of some fun things to get our stuff in order. We're not procrastinating any longer. So it is raining all week, so there's no way we could do anything this week, but we did have a good weekend, and it was really nice that we didn't have rain today, what we expected. We had friends over, and it was a really nice time. Our pizza was really good. We had bubbles and lots of laughter, and Bowen and I probably watched about 5 princess movies in 20 minutes. Thank goodness for Disney Plus. I'm pretty sure anybody with a kid probably loves Disney Plus because they only pay attention for 5 seconds. They're like, oh, let's watch this. Oh, let's watch this. And literally, we watched 5 different princess movies. So that was fun. We had a blast, but they have left, and it is time for us to just relax and get some rest in before the week starts. Thank you guys for following along, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!